welcome to our colorful adventure. Today, we're going to draw together and learn all about colors. Are you ready to grab your crayons and join me? Let's get started and have some fun.
Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Orange color. Pink color. Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Gray color. Gray color. Gray color. Brown color. Brown color. Gray color. Gray color. Brown color. Brown color. Red color. Pink color. Pink color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Purple color. Blue color. Red color. Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Pink color. Pink color. Pink color.
Wow, what a fantastic time we had today. Oh, I hope you enjoyed drawing and learning about all the colors we used. Don't forget to share your drawings with us, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye for now.